Hi guys, welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we'll be playing Bee Swarm Simulator, one of my absolute favourite games on Roblox. Like, for some reason I just find it so good. On my main account I'm really good, so that's why we're on my alt main account. And like I said, I'm not going to be doing the series videos all the time. I will be doing other games on Roblox, like this one, because it's one of the best games ever. Because you can just, it's just one of the best games ever on Roblox. So, Bee Swarm Simulator. In this game, I'm not going to read all of this. I'll just tell you the tutorial. So, what you do, you farm all of this, and you then have a bee that sells it. Look, I'll show you. Look. And so to start off, you get eggs from here, and of course, oh yeah, it's in your inventory, and you just place it. You get an ordinary bee from them ones, and you just, when you press E to make honey, they make honey, and then look at my honey at the top, 16. That's basically like money, So we have 16 money, and we can use that in the shop to grind it even more. Huh? What was that? Okay. Yo, look at him! Whee! The demon bee, the diamond bee, the carpenter. My sister had the baby bee. He looks so cute. So we're gonna trade that in. We're gonna trade this in with this bee bear. Ho ho ho! Look who's arrived! It's me, Bear Bear. Bear Bear, Bee Bear Bear Bear. Bee Bear, the magical mascot of this most wonderful time of the year. A time of joy, a time of gifts, a time of bees. Yes, it's Beesmas! The season where we all celebrate and cherish those most important in our lives. Our bees. I've brought along my entire crew. There's a festive bee, which I'm guessing is that one, the wreath. The reindeer bee. Did we just get Newt? No, snow machine. And reindeer puppy bee, and the cub buddy too. Oh, it's so cute. But that's not all. Oh ho ho! Oh no! I brought along some of these noble guys. The Robo Bear, or that's what I've been told. Oh, so you have to collect So you do quest by her, and then you give the gifts to the robo guy. So the club Gravy, give the beekeepers so they can complete. Oh wow, that's a lot. So what's this then? Exchange it with an NPC. A honey storm. Okay, so when it's a honey storm, there's just random honey bits that you have to collect, and they give you a bunch of honey, but after a while they disappear. But look, you just get a bunch of honey, and it's always good to do these because you get like a lot, you know. Oh, and the snowflakes. Get this one! Ah! Oh no. And yes, there's monsters as well, so there's monsters where when you defeat them you get some prizes, and when you defeat the spider, I know there's a spider in this game, you get a royal jelly, royal jelly, yeah, royal jelly. I'm going to do this obby so I can get this royal jelly. Wow! Oh, there we go, royal jelly. You can use it to transform basic bees into better bees. And I'll show you something down here. It's a secret. Oh, it's not this one. See if one over there. But we'll get to that soon. I don't know how you get it really high. Like, mine's only this high, and they got theirs really high. Oh yeah, I was placing... Wait. I need to buy a basic bee. So, a rare, epic, or legendary. There we go. Yay! Now... an order usually hatches into. So there's a chance you don't get one? Whoa! I did not expect that. So they're the golden ones. So I always thought you just get a normal bee, but apparently not. Since we've already got a looker bee. A blue epic, a bucko bee. That's cool. What type is it? It's an epic. We just got an epic. Lead of the blue bees and a long-time rival of Riley Bee. Its tensity is the greatest strength. So I'm guessing it's Riley Bee. That's the red leader. That's cool. So that if it's got a golden thing at the back, it means it's special version, I'm guessing. Okay, so let's do all the bears quests. Because if you do, you get stuff. Wow, 12 honey with bee. You know, they don't always use the best honey on these things. Companies are always trying to cut the cost. But I'm not complaining now, so thank you so much. Now here's your present. It's a honey jar. With this on the you 25 convert rate, 25 plus capacity, 5%. Yay! So I'm guessing, yay, it's on the tree now. You'd be on with winter, yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh, shut up. Let me get the quest. Robotic bees must collect. Oh no, that's the other one. Oh wow, that's a lot of stuff. I've only got 2 bees. So, what's this then? This looks frankly uninspired. Help 4 characters proceed. Oh, what's this? You found 3 micro convert. Okay, so we need to do the quest. So, I've done some of them. Collect 3 sunflower things. Okay, so that should be easy. Alright, so let's do this. Do we even need to do this? Collect one tree. Is this the sunflower field? No, it isn't, is it? No. Collect white pollen, sunflower field. There's white pollen here. There. Oh no, I think I'm gonna upgrade my backpack right away, because that means we will be able to do better, you know, so we can fit more at a time, which would be really good. Yeah, why isn't... Oh wow, you just did it all in one. All of their bees are special. Alright, so was it... It was doing the slashy dance one, eh? Yo, he is as well, slashy. No, it's dance. Yo, yeah, let's do it together. Come on. Come on. Come on, move your little bare feet. Move your little bare feet. Ooh, ooh. Aw. Hi. You better not start doing it as soon as I just come off. Good. What's this? It's Roblox. Open shop. Ooh, tooth. I can't afford that, but I can afford this. So we can equip more, we can hold more stuff. We'll buy another. I couldn't buy that anyway. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, so whoa, look at that guy. I've only got 2 beers. So we need to go to the sunflower field because you can get sunflower seeds from there. White pollen. I don't know what to do when they're sad. Like when my bees are sad, I don't know what I'm meant to do. How is it full already? Let me climb over. I wonder if they'll do it. What? How do we have 938 out of 750? That's confusing. A honey storm. Honey storm. Come on, hurry up, man. I need the thing. Hurry up. I need the honey from the honey store. Honey. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh my goodness. Oh my days, bro. Look at how many there are. At the bottom right it says how many honey I've collected from the honey. So 4,200. That's a lot. It's a lot of honey. Imagine getting that much honey. Damn. Ooh, I can buy another one. Yay. Ooh. What's that? Bees must share. There. So now we can place this egg here. And then we can use the royal jelly. And then we'll get a red rare. Wow. So we have a blue rare. No. So we have a red rare and a blue epic. So now the more bees, the better. Wait, look. You spin me right round me. Imagine we could buy another one. How much? 4,002. I'm literally 4 honey off, bro. There we go. That should be enough for 4. Imagine we don't get 4 honey. Alright, so we're in a new server. Hopefully this is not as laggy. So let's go buy an egg, because that's what I was doing. Buy an egg. Boom. Gamer. I'm such a good gamer. Wow. Pow! Okay, so now we have 4 bees. We're making some good progress right now. What's that? Puff shroom. Do I do that much damage? No. Okay, let's go to the sunflower field. Look, there's sparkles over there, which must mean that it's, I don't know, it's cool. Must mean that it's really cool. Aww. What? How did that just go from 938 to 750? Huh? Alright, let's make some honey. 5,500. Okay, so can someone summon a thingy storm? Honey storm, please? Please. Alright, so I'm gonna have my quest all the time. Oh, this is cool. Alright, so collect 3 sunflower seed tokens. So I'm guessing we get them from here then. Collect 3 snowflakes. Use 3 snowflakes. So I just go like that. Yay! There we go. So I've done that quest. Use 3 snowflakes. I literally use 3, but okay. There. Collect 3 snowflakes. So how am I going to do that? I'm just going to have to find them, right? What's that? Huh? So there's a snowflake. Don't you dare collect that. That's mine. Hehe. Oh, and there's another. Go, 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 go. Quick, quick, quick. No, mushroom. The mushroom was in my way. Go attack him. Oh, oh. Quick, 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 quick. Ah. Oh yeah, you get the stuff from here, sunflower tokens or stuff that's in the ground from them green particles. There's no way I make it over to here. No! It's a good game. It's a good game. Oh, I saw that. I saw a snowflake. No, no, don't. No! Beat up this rhino beetle. Oh! Oh, bang! Collect sunflower seed tokens. I know how we do that. We get them so where the green leaves popping up, and them things are popping up. That's a thing with. Can I actually not collect them? Oh, I'll have to come back. Whoa! Look, how can I only fit that much and you can fit that much? And they can as well. Wow. Whoa, look. Are they the precision bees? Imagine they are. They are? What? He has a bunch of mythicals. He got baby bee. Oh, I remember the gummy bee. Photon bee, yeah. If I remember. Nope, there's a royal jelly up here that we're going to use. Here, is it? Yes. So, if you can... So that's 500, that's 1,000, that's 50. Hatch it into an epic, legendary, or mythic. Oh! Wait, what? Occasionally granting gifts. Well, Tabby Bee, Festive Bee, Crimson Bee, Colbat Bee. That's cool. So how many tickets do I have? I have 0. Let's go. Let's use our royal jelly now. Is that ours? No. Which one is ours? Oh, hey! A ribby. Why? Need to find that green stuff. I like how when I jump they go wee. Sunflower seeds. Bro, where are you? There, here. Strawberry. My backpack keeps on filling up. Yes! Okay, we got one. Ooh. And then this makes me go faster. Does it? Let's make some honey. Now we just need to get a sunflower seed and 1,000 red pollen for both of the quests, and that one and that one. So let's just get, there's a sunflower seed here, so let's just get that. Okay, there isn't. Oh, that's a jelly. I remember that. I don't. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes! Let's go! You need one. Rascal bees. Oh, yeah, sometimes your bees get tired, so they have to go to sleep. Just kind of sad. Right, so I'm just gonna go get some red pollen. No! Oh no, I'm gonna die. Kill him! Alright, so we've got both of them done. Nice. Now we go to both of them to claim our quests. And then, yeah. It's beginning to look a lot like Beesmas. The maps are covered in snow. We'll make presents through the night, spreading holiday delight to repair Robo. Wait, what did I get? So we got 3 tickets and gingerbread. Oh, that's where it is here. So we can use gingerbreads for them. I think I'm going to save up for the eggs, if there is one. So that's a 1 gifted mythic egg, 1 turpentine from star jelly, transform a bee into a random gifted bee. So what's a gifted bee then? Really special 5 hatches into a rare epic diamond, hatches into a legendary or mythic, hatches into a random mythic bee. Where's the gold egg? There isn't a gold egg, okay. They've just forgotten about that. So we need what turns a bee into a gifted bee? Oh, that's the gifted bee then. The thing, I got a looker bee just by hatching it from a gifted bee, which is really cool. Let's go over here. We need to go over here for the quest. Yep. Yay! 2.5k and 5 tickets. That's really good. And we get a seed, a sprout seed. So what the seeds do, where is it? So they put it, you just put it down and it will be there and it will be ready in an hour, and you just get a bunch of stuff. Can I buy this? How much is that? 22,000. 10,000 capacity, 3,000. And then we can buy... How are scissors better than a rake? A vacuum. Okay, so let's go. This is cool. This game is so good. So good. Okay, so I can't believe I got gifted me. So I wonder if daily top honey makers and that's a lot. 6,700. Why exactly 6,708? Oh yeah, I need to clean the other things. Quick. Hi, I'm Black Bear. Also, now this is actually, if Christmas wasn't here, this is what he'd say. So, because this is really easy. Like 100 pollen from a sunflower field. Like, it's easy. Look, easy. And once you do enough of his quests, you can get a golden egg. Alright, so we're here. It's kind of yeah. 400. Collect 500 pollen. That's easy as well. Wow, this is easy, bro. Collect red pollen. Yeah, I'm getting a bunch of honey from this. Collect 1,000. Well, then we. Oh no, he's gonna kill me. Help. So after we've done this quest, I think I'll have to end the video. Oh, that's cool. Please tell me I can jump up. Oh, I think. How did I just do that? I am so cool. So cool. I just saw he's gonna make me collect some. Oh, so just everything then. Alright, so we'll be ending the video off here. So make sure you like, subscribe, and basically just press all of the buttons down below except for the dislike button, okay? Because we don't like the dislike button. Just hit all of the buttons. Comment down below one of your video ideas that you want me to play, like on Roblox, what game you want me to play, okay? Okay, we got Brave Bee. We haven't got that one yet. It's always good to discover a new one. So just hit all of the buttons, comment down below what game you want me to play next, because it depends what game, okay? So just because your game is picked, just because you put it down in the comments doesn't mean I will pick it. And I don't even care if it's like a new game. No horror games though. I'll admit it. I'm a scaredy cat. I'm scared of horror games. Yeah, so no horror games. I'm not going to be playing any horror games. It could be like Zombie Attack, Zombie Rush, Tycoon. We can go to that area, but we'll do that in the next Bee Swarm Simulator. But just comment down below if you really like Bee Swarm Simulator, and I'll play it more. Okay, so yeah, so just put down below what game you want me to play. For now, bye.